I'm Gretchen Benedix. I'm a professor in the Space Science and Technology Center here at Curtin University in the School of Earth and Planetary Sciences. I am an astrogeologist, and that means that I study rocks from space. Being an astrogeologist, you're not put into I can only study this kind of rock, so you can sort of take what you know about geology and apply it to a whole bunch of different rock systems and learn about bodies in the solar system other than Earth. And that helps us put all of the solar system into context, so the history of the solar system, how it evolved. For this particular area, this particular career, pretty much anything having to do with chemistry, physics, maths, astronomy, any of those things, they'll all come together and you'll be able to use all of the skills that you get from those things. It's around kind of taking apart things and kind of working them back to the very first principles of a given object or a given problem that you want to solve. One of the areas I've been working on is this big data, but in order to be able to access really high resolution images, you need computing power. I've been able to get to work with the supercomputing center at PAWSI. It's a whole bunch of very fast computers that you can just throw all kinds of information at and then get data back very, very quickly. The level of technology on our desks, it would be super helpful if it was kind of that level on our desks. Which, you know, comparatively, if you look back at what a supercomputer was 30 years ago compared to what a desktop computer was 30 years ago, our desktop computers now are what those supercomputers were 30 years ago. So there's, you know, everything will keep ticking over and the technology will grow. I love that I did a physics degree and I did an engineering degree. But if I went back in time, I think I would tell myself to either go straight to geology, start there, or do chemistry then geology. I don't think I ever had any particular thoughts that I couldn't do something. So I feel like I was really lucky in that sense. Like, my parents never said you can't do something or you're not cut out for anything. It was just everything was open, everything was on the table. The best career advice I can offer is, you know, do as well as you can in school, cover the main things, maths. Once you get to university, you can do some intensive intern work with us in terms of planetary science. It's a growing field right now in Australia. We've got a space agency now, but we're making roads into kind of making it a career path for people. And I think, you know, the best thing to do is do a little bit of on-the-job training, which is always kind of a good way to figure out if you like something or not.